going on? Big John here, back with another product review, and today we are talking about pocket knives. Join me as I put the Benchmade Adamas to the ultimate test to see if it really is the best folding knife of 2024. Now this thing is a tank of a knife. It is my favorite knife that I own currently. It is one of probably north of 10 knives that I own. It is just the most smoothest throw of any knife that I own. It's a tank. I don't know what else to say. It's just a tank of a knife, and I love it. It is my most prized possession in my knife collection. But the Benchmade Adamas has been making waves in the knife community for some time, and for so good a reason. With its reputation for being one of the most durable and functional folding knives on the market, it's no wonder it's being discussed as a top contender for the best folding knife of 2024. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in and find out. That was a dumb idea. So as a knife enthusiast, we're always looking for the best knife, the perfect folding knife. And for some of us, fixed knives, but like I work a day job, so fixed knife doesn't really make sense for me, and I'm in customer service, so like that would really not make a whole lot of sense if I'm walking around with a fixed knife on my belt. Probably not a great idea. Durability is always a top priority, but we also have to consider functionality, design, and of course price. This is a very pricey knife, but if you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time researching, watching videos like this one, only to end up with a knife that, you know, doesn't quite meet our expectations and just kind of goes in the pile with all the other knives. This one is not that. This one has remained top of the pile, king of the hill for 2 years. Finding a knife that checks all the boxes is a challenge, to say the least. We want a knife that's built to last, with materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use, even if you're just opening Amazon boxes. We need a knife that's functional, with good design that makes sense for our specific needs. And let's be real, we want a knife that looks good too. After all, we're proud to carry our knives with us wherever we go. But even when we think we found the perfect knife with a list of features that reads like a wish list, that's where this knife comes in. This thing is built to last forever. I mean, I guarantee you my kids' will probably have this knife. This is a family heirloom. It's smooth, it's reliable, it's heavy duty. This is not a junker. I think what sets this knife apart from every other knife that I have is the attention to detail. Just everything from the clip to the axis lock to the blade. The grip has an amazing detail and feel to it. It's the total package. This knife is the total package. But for 2024, this for sure all day long has my vote. But don't just take my word from it. I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you think? I mean, if you're a knife enthusiast like myself, what's your favorite knife? Comment down below. I got more pocket knife reviews coming on the channel. We're just getting started here, but I do want to say I appreciate you tuning in and watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye then.